All right, one of the stories that we hit hard this afternoon is this Washington State Department of Transportation engineer, a man in his 50s. He's accused of stabbing a prostitute with a screwdriver. Then, according to court documents, another prostitute came forward and said, yeah, he stabbed me with a knife, and he looked satisfied when he did it. He looked like a serpent who had just eaten a rodent. They gave him 3 months paid leave when they found out that this same man had allegedly raped a 16-year-old prostitute. 3 months paid leave while they investigated it. He only served 2 days in jail after pleading guilty to felony assault. So what do they do to this employee? Do they get rid of him? No. They give him 3 months unpaid leave, and this week, he's back on the job. Your tax dollars at work. Once again, proving it's impossible to get rid of even the worst government employees. Those who plead guilty to felony assault of a 16-year-old are back on the job, earning a paycheck from you and me. Your tax dollars at work. And my minute's up.